Introducing the AUET MTM-250-2500 DC Torque Tester DC, a cutting-edge solution for verifying the accuracy and repeatability of your hand tools, power tools, and pulse tools. This advanced torque tester from AIMCO combines precise measurement capabilities with user-friendly features to elevate your quality control processes. With a wide torque range of 25-250/252,500 INLB, the AUET/MTM-250-2500 DC Torque Tester can accommodate various applications, ensuring versatility in your testing requirements. Its compatibility with both 3/8D and 1/2D tools provides flexibility in your testing setup. The included SoftwareUSB enables seamless data transfer and analysis, allowing you to document and monitor your torque testing results with ease. The adjustable auto clear feature simplifies your testing process by automatically resetting the display after each test, saving time and effort. Choose from peak, first peak, and track modes to capture different torque values based on your testing needs. With an accuracy of 0.5% and a display resolution of 0.1 INLB, you can trust the AUET/MTM-250-2500 DC Torque Tester to deliver precise and reliable measurements. Elevate your quality control measures with the AUET/MTM-250-2500 DC Torque Tester DC W/SoftwareUSB. Its wide torque range, versatile compatibility, and user-friendly features make it an indispensable tool for verifying the performance of your assembly tools. Invest in this advanced torque tester and gain confidence in the accuracy and repeatability of your fastening processes.